Okay, all right. I want to learn Spanish as a student, so I am going to do Spaans. Daar gaan we. All right. I need to do a free trial. Or is this the same? Yeah, bevestig. Then I will do it. Okay, for free. And yes, come. Okay, want to try to find a teacher for Spanish. One maybe price. No, okay. Everything is online. I think I'm going to do the price 20. Oh no, it's a FNAF. Okay. Oh, it's minimum price. Oh, that doesn't matter. No, that doesn't matter at all. So I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, maybe sort the lowest price. Okay. Oh, she's from Antwerp. She can do it on Tuesday. Okay, I like her. My name is Nicole. What language? Like beginner? How much? Maybe once a week or 2 weeks. Oh, that's a good question. I think once in 2 weeks. Private lessons. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it does maybe on maybe next Tuesday, and then I think she. Oh, can she do like every day? Maybe I can do like 3. But in the morning is also nice. No, I can do Tuesday at 3. I'm gonna do it again. Please, Nicole. I don't know. Once a week or 2 times. I don't know. I'm gonna do once in 2 weeks, and then would love to have her next time and do maybe at 3 a.m. or p.m. Questions. Oh, okay. This one is just to talk, doorgaan. And here we go. I think I'm gonna do 25, 24, or this is okay. So if I do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have like 9 lessons. 9. Maybe like do like 12. 12, yeah, I think it's okay. Or maybe just do a little less. Maybe 8 is also nice. Um, I don't know. Maybe start with 4. Then now pay. Alright. Bank contact. You just scan it. Looks nice. Okay, it's now scanning. Oh, and I paid. There you go. And then I think I'm gonna take a picture of everything. Alright, and then I have her contacts. Okay, I have her. So this is my first lesson. There you go. Oh, nice.